My name is Heike Rüttgers. I'm working in the European Investment Bank in the African, Caribbean, Pacific Department, so in the operations outside the European Union, and there I'm heading the policy division. So the bank is actually operating now in Africa for, we are celebrating this year our 50th anniversary. It's the oldest lending mandate we have outside the European Union, and we have a clear focus in our activity for private sector development, where we have been mandated through an investment facility, a revolving fund, to actually promote private sector development in Africa, Caribbean and the Pacific. We do actually, we have two strategic focuses in there. We are on one hand enhancing basic infrastructure in the country, because we consider that as important for any private sector development. And the second focus being the financial sector development. So we are actually providing finance to the local financial sector, but we are also concentrating on capacity building, actually, to develop them, to ultimately, get rid of us. So we are there to have a catalytic effect for any private sector investment, but ultimately, to work on a situation where they don't need us anymore. Well, in terms of challenge for the upcoming years, we are currently embarking also in a new area, which is a new business area for us, what we call impact financing. And the idea is there to actually take more risk in our operations, but also to achieve a higher development impact ultimately with these operations. And we are currently in the process of looking into various instruments, how we can achieve that. The idea is also to provide finance and promote weaker groups of the population, going into more risky sectors, and also going into countries with a higher country risk. So the idea is to achieve a higher development impact, but as there is also an increase in the risk we are taking, this is quite a challenge for us to achieve that, and to monitor obviously the results we achieve by that.